Ofu Jesu na ndị ichie enyekwa ya ịgwa.
Enye m nke ahụ.
Igwe aka n'akwụkwọ.
Nye m aka n'akwụkwọ.
Ịkwatakwa n'ebe niile ede ya.
Ekweta m n'ife niile ede ya.
Ya ngara n'iru.
Gaba n'iru.
Ntị gbara ogbu a n'isi mma mmasị ife abụ mgbọla. Ka ị na-afa ya.
Iyasele. Iyasele.
Iyasele ebe.
Obosi.
Iyasele Obosi.
Iyasele Obosi.
Ọkwa ịma na Iyasele Obosi bụ onye isi ndị ichie.
O doro m anya.
Na-ejikọba mgbakọ arụ adịghị na-arụ.
Ekwe m ekwe.
Ịkwọta n'ife eze na ndị ichie na-ekwu. So na anyị na-eme ife anyị na-eme.
Etu a ka ọ ga-adị. Ọ ife ọ bụ ya donye m ya n'isi. Ọ ka m obi kasike m ike.
Ofu ịbụọ ịtọ ịnọ ise isii ọndanye ọkara ya obi isi ndanye isi ndanye ịsa
The Prime Minister is crowned. The ceremony is complete.
Today I have capped a new Prime Minister of Obosi Kingdom, the Iyasele of Obosi. You know, in other towns, in some other towns in Igbo land, the Prime Minister is called Onowu. But Onowu is not the Prime Minister in Obosi. The Prime Minister in Obosi is Iyasele Obosi. And some time ago, under a year ago, the Iyasele Obosi Chief Ernest Ojiako went to join his forefathers, and the seat has been vacant. And today, I have capped a new Iyasele in the person of Chief Collins Anibogwu, who is now Iyasele Obosi, the Prime Minister of Obosi Kingdom. So it's a remarkable day in Obosi Kingdom.
He walks about the town with the crown on his head for the first time. His duty is about to begin. Many share in his victory and are confident in his ability to steer the kingdom to greater heights within the gambits of his capacity.
Iyasele Obosi.
For the Prime Minister, his first task is to reconcile all factions who claimed her to the revered office, stating that without peace, there will be little or no development in any society.
The current traditional Prime Minister, Iyasele Obosi, by name Augustine.
Who is Iyasele Obosi?
The traditional Prime Minister.
What is the role of Iyasele in Obosi Kingdom?
The role of Iyasele in Obosi Kingdom is majorly if the Igbo is absent, the traditional Prime Minister or the regent, as it's called, takes control of the town. Make sure that the security is there, everything is in working condition.
Will you describe today as your happiest day in life?
Yes, it's one of my happiest days. More happier when I come.
Yep. Now that you've been installed, what are the expectations?
Expectations? The expectation is that I would like to work with the community, bring peace, bring together warring factions, empower youth that are not gainfully employed, share my knowledge both in financial world and real estate world as well. I'm a banker. I think I have the knowledge to pass on to younger generation. Thank you.
You contested this position with some other person, and do you hope to carry the person along?
Oh yeah, of course. I mean, where we came from, you vie for a position, you lose, you send a congratulatory message to the person that won. But it's not so here. Rather, I will reach out to the loser and say, hey, come on board. Let's do it together. So I'm definitely going to reach out to them. All right? So that's my goal. Yes, mediate with the parties, bring them together, reach a resolution, ask them to go and withdraw the case. It is by their own accord that they will withdraw it, not by my instruction, because it has to be a mutual thing. Yep.
Well, first, let me introduce myself. I am Professor Nnamdi Onora Oba Ezumezu Namri. I actually reside in US, but for this particular occasion, I've decided to be part of it. I'm highly impressed with the tradition of Obosi people. You know, I was there and I saw everything. I am very, very impressed. I'm happy for the new chief, and I hope that he will reign for a long time.
I feel like I come from this side. It's a very big occasion. The activities we are having today, that is bestowed on him today, is the highest honor we can see in the cabinet. So we're all happy. Everything went on well. It's for everybody.
Chief Kevin Tabans, was overwhelmed. The coronation Exactly, it was Igbo tradition in the making. So, all the body of emulation, because the one manner, the process and the procedure was well done.
Ụfọdụ na-enye ya bụ ka o jisi ike onye chie ka ọnọdụ ụlọ na-enekwu ya n'usoro na-achịkọta.
Iyom Obosi Chief, very happy indeed, because it's something that is in the family. It goes up and down. After this family, the next one comes and it goes on and on. It's something of being a lineage.
My name is Dr. Vivian Iyasele, a medical director of Iyasele Children's Hospital and the chairman of Nigerian Medical Association, Coronation.
What exactly is happening here today?
Today we had a beautiful coronation of Iyasele Obosi. You know, we lost Iyasele, and Iyasele is supposed to be the traditional prime minister of Obosi Kingdom, Asian Kingdom. And about 2 years ago he died. So this year, you know, the Igbo Council, you know, got somebody, a reputable person, in the person of Chief Collins and Anibogwu, the Iyasele Obosi.
Afambo Oliaku Agnes Chimelum JP, President General OG Women Wing National. Hey, that Obi Musa Polina Mako Iyasele Nyamato Ofunda. Obi Webulon Samole Makana Emekwa Karagala. Gani Rugana as Jehovah Wemegini.
Following a successful coronation, he is entrusted with his first outing, which is to visit the K market. Hundreds turn out to witness the symbolic event.
Iyasele Obosi. Iyasele Obosi.
The celebration comes to a close, and a new dawn in the history of Obosi Kingdom begins. Under the watch of Igwe Chukudubem Iweka III, the Iyasele of Obosi, Chief Augustine Collins Anibogwu, along with other wise chiefs of the traditional cabinet. The first official assignment of the Iyasele is to crown Nze Obiekunia.
Iyasele Obosi.
Iyasele Obosi. Iyasele Obosi.
Well, it is a fundamental thing. I appreciated the visit. I valued it because culture is part of life. And quite in agreement with what they're doing and very ready to work with them. It's promotion of Obosi culture and tradition. So I'm really glad that they visited and they're highly welcome. The thing I crowned has been long overdue actually. It's because of other contingencies. We have not been able to consummate that. But today, we've been able to do it.